Welcome to my channel. Today we learn 10 lines on parrot in English. So let's start. 1. Parrots are beautiful birds. 2. Parrots are generally green in color and have a curved beak. 3. They are omnivorous. They eat grains, fruits, vegetables, seeds, boiled rice, chilies, etc. 4. Parrots are the only bird that eat food with feet. 5. Parrots build their houses on trees and usually fly in herds. 6. Parrots can fly at very high speed. 7. Parrots can imitate the voice of humans and they can be trained to speak. 8. Parrots can easily identify numbers, persons, and objects. 9. People keep it as a pet. 10. They have average lifespan of 15 to 20 years. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.